Hi friends, in this video we'll learn first of all what is the accounting for prepaid expenses, or we can say some expenses paid in advance, and then we'll also see a problem on how to deal with prepaid expenses when it is given in a final accounts problem. So first of all, let us take some examples to learn how to deal with prepaid expenses in our accounting normally. Let us say workers are paid some salary in cash. When salary is paid in cash, what is the entry we pass? We pass the entry salary account debit to cash account, or say to bank account. This is the entry we pass. When salary is paid in advance, sometimes the employees may be in need of money, so we may pay them some salary in advance. That means even before they have rendered their service, we are going to pay them some amount, extra amount. So how do you pass an entry? They have already taken 12 months salary and now they are taking one more month salary in advance. So how do you pass an entry for this? You are not going to debit expense, because this is not an expense for the business. We have not enjoyed their services for treating it as an expense. We have given them as an advance. That means to fulfill their needs, we have given some money in advance to them. They are actually indebted to the business. They owe money to the business, and they have to provide their services to repay this debt. So till the time they provide their services, we are going to debit prepaid salary account and credit cash. So if you pay some money in advance, that money would be debited to an account called as prepaid salary account. This is an asset for the business. What is the logic I'll be following here? Prepaid salary. This is nothing but staff, personal account, receiver, debit, cash, real account, goes out, credit. So prepaid salary will be a personal account. It is showing we don't call it as a personal account, we call it as a representative personal account, because this represents the name of a person. So it will be shown as an asset. So how do you deal with salary? It will be shown as an expense in the P&L account, whereas this will be shown as an asset in the balance sheet. Next, when prepaid salary is adjusted to expense, now what will happen? The employees will serve the business and they will reverse their prepaid salary. They'll repay their prepaid salary, or will deduct from their salary and try to recover the loan which we have given to them. So when they serve additional months, what we'll do is their prepaid salary will be adjusted from their salary. So we can say when prepaid salary is adjusted to expense, or we can say when prepaid salary is adjusted / deducted from salary. So what is the entry we are going to pass? We are going to pass the entry salary account debtor to prepaid salary account. This is the prepaid salary adjusted amount. So it will become an expense for the business and the prepaid salary will be adjusted. Normally this will happen in the next accounting period. So These are the entries we pass. I'll again repeat them for the sake of understanding. When you pay expenses in cash, we pass the entry expense account debit to cash account. When expenses are paid in advance, we pass the entry prepaid expenses account debit to cash account. And when prepaid expenses are adjusted from expenses or adjusted towards expenses, or prepaid expenses are deducted from expenses, we will pass the entry expenses account debit to prepaid expenses. These two entries are normally passed this year, and this will be passed in the next accounting period. So these are the entries we pass for accounting of prepaid expenses. In the next video, we'll see a illustration how to deal with prepaid expense when they are given as part of the final accounts problem. Thank you.